We are really excited about this new GOTRAX Hoverboard here. It comes in different colors. It's got a really cool look to it. It has LED lights on the side that are going to look very cool at nighttime. It has 6.5-inch wheels and it can go about 2.5 miles on one charge. It has a rechargeable battery and a 200-watt motor. You could use this as an adult if you're on the smaller side. It has a weight limit of 176 pounds and it can go up to 6.2 miles per hour. So my kiddo is going to demonstrate riding on it.